Bwensoko ni gotogoswa ase ensemo ya serikali gwetera omwaziri bwe wizara ya Abakori Emeremo be serikali Geoffrey Ruku ni garuru gukurira ogutindi gochiasa Abakori Emeremo bari barabakurumi asatebire ni go bagendete gwetera emichando emenene ase sekta yokubakana otebire abantu mbarororo bakonya gonchoreria nabo igo gwekinya ebirogo byegasikira omwaka Ruku ni gaya kwa naega asomo yega bokuruchi certificate gochiasa aboroki gwa ba human resource imeyo mucho Nairobi.
It is those human resource managers who have the right to enter, to go into the system, who are colluding and changing the job groups of some government employees 3 times a year. So when we see that you are taking your time to get certified so that you can ensure ethical conduct in your profession, you are there to aid.
If we embrace professionalism, then it means that HR, the workforce, is going to be more competent, more ethical, and we can avoid vices like corruption, imprudent use of resources, and therefore we see this as a build-up or strengthening our economy through human capacity.
I would want to urge my fellow HRs to, come on board, get yourself certified. It is worth it. With every coin you pay, it is not only about the knowledge that you get, there's a lot of exposure.
When HR don't use technology, somebody will do a CV through an AI. And if they are not able to relate and recognize that this is an AI, it can make you employ people who are not competent because they have copy-pasted. By use of technology, HR's job will be easier and they'll be focusing on improving people's productivity by talking to them, listening to them and all that.